Hello everyone, today I, Harshita,
And I, Prasiddhi.
are here to present a project that is communication between two robots. Components used are Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, robotic chassis, L298 and motor driver, 12-volt battery, and RF transmitter and receiver module. Robot swarms continuously communicates with each other. For this task, we have done communication between at least two robots. One robot will be the main and the other will be the follower. If the main robot performs a task, then the other robot should repeat the task as well. RF module operates at radio frequency whose frequency range varies between 30 kHz and 300 GHz. The RF module is combination of RF transmitter and RF receiver pair operating on 433 MHz. The RF transmitter receives serial data and transmits it wirelessly through its RF antenna.
Next, we have RF Arduino RX code. Here we have used virtualwire.h library, set the pins as 5, 6, 9, 11 for the motors, and we have used the VW set RX pin as the receiving pin 3 in RX pins. Then we have a VW setup that is initializing virtualwire software to operate at 2000 bits per second. Then we have set 3 as the input pin and used VWRX start to start receiving signals. After that, we have entered the loop. In the loop, we have buff that is a pointer that locates to save the read data. Here it is pointing to the data that is transmitted, and we have used the length. Length is the available space in buff. It is also a number of octet to transmit. If then we check if any signal has been received. If the signal has been received, then we ask verb that is the pointer locating to the saved read data, that is the transmitted data. If the signal is F, then 9 and 5 pin are set to high, and if it is B, then 6 and 11. L, then 5, and if it is R, then 9 is set to high, and if it is S, then all the pins are set to low. Thank you. Used in library virtualwire.h, which is used to send short messages, retransmit using apps that is amplitude shift keying. Here we have also set the keys 5, 6, 9 and 11 as the motor keys, that is left and right, forward and reverse motor keys. Then we have used VW set TX pin as a transmitting pin in TX pin, and VW setup that is initializing virtual wire software to operate at speed per bits per second. Here it is 2000 bits per second. Then we have set 5, 6, 9, 11 as low in order to stop the robot before any signal is passed. After that, in the loop, we have seen if any signal is passed, the signal is signal value is saved in a character T, and if T equals F, that is forward, then 9 and 5 pin will be set to high, moving the robot forward. Similarly, for T equals to B, that is backward, 6 and 11 will be set on high, and for t equals L, that is left, 9 will be set as high, and t equals right, R, that is right, 5 will be set as high. In order to stop the car, all the pins will be set to low. There is also a function TBW wait TX used, that is to stop, that is to wait before the signal is passed.